Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely pristine Kawasaki Ninja 650. Here we have a Kawasaki Ninja 650 KRT. This is a 2020 bike on a 20 plate with just 799 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in outstanding condition and comes in the best colourway, which is the KRT, Kawasaki Racing Team colour scheme, and it is absolutely fantastic. Obviously green based with all the decals. It's a really cool looking bike. If you're after your first sports bike, this really is a brilliant option for you if you've just passed your test. The wheels there, the rear wheel got the green rim tape on and is in absolutely mint condition. Just like the rest of the bike really, absolutely nothing to apologise for at all. Standard exhaust, which sounds absolutely brilliant. Then you've got ABS on the bike as well. So anti-lock brakes, very important if you're a new rider of course. Front tyres got loads of life left in it there, and the brake discs and all the forks are unmarked, just like the day they came out of the showroom as a brand new bike. No damage to the mirrors or the bar ends or the levers, likewise with the panels on the fairing, absolutely spotless. This bike really is in excellent condition. You can save yourself a load of money on a new one. This is the updated Ninja 650 with the colour dash. Absolutely brilliant bike because they've just passed your test. The rear tyre's got loads of life left on it as well. As I said, only 799 miles on this bike from new. So a couple of people I imagine have passed their test, had the bigger bike and then moved on to something, in the case of this guy, much bigger. But this is a fantastic bike for learning your craft on. If you're after a sports bike after just passing your test, this is the perfect motorcycle. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Brilliant. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. Also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful little Ninja, then please do get in touch either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.